Hi you guys, I'm glad you made it back. But if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you to my GMC Do-It-Yourself Repair channel. In my channel here, you'll see I have tons of videos that I'm sure that I have something in here that'll interest you. It doesn't take a lot of experience or knowledge and doesn't take a lot of tools. And one thing for sure, you're going to save tons of money. So before you go to a mechanic or the dealership, click on the upper right hand corner there and explore my channel. I'm sure I have something in there that's going to save you some money. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This really helps my channel. And by the way, hit that bell and leave a comment. And believe it or not, if you leave a comment, I respond back to you. Yeah, I know, I don't have a life, so I have nothing else better to do. Okay, glad to see you back. Here's another quick video telling you where your engine oxygen sensor fuses are. There are two of them. Now before you go to a dealer or a mechanic and they tell you you need oxygen sensors, you probably want to check these fuses first before you go there. That might be your problem. Rather than spending a few $100s to have this done, a couple of fuses are going to cost you less than $5. So take a second and I'll show you where these two fuses are at. So this is going to be a quick, real easy video. Plus, this is really easy to locate. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood open. And if you stand just where the driver's side tire's at and look in the engine compartment, you're going to see a box right where the red arrow's at. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this lid on top of this box. You're going to put your hand behind the box, you'll feel a little lip, and you're going to pull upwards and it'll pop right off. Just remove it and set the lid aside. Okay, let's get the camera in position like if you were standing next to it. So just stand next to the fender there and you're looking down into the fuse box. Okay, if you look at the bottom where the blue arrow's at, you're going to see three gray boxes. Then on top of that, where the blue arrows are at, you're going to see two gray boxes. Then on top of that, you're going to see where the blue arrow's at again, one gray box. Then you have another gray box on top of that one. It's the gray box on top of the pyramid, so to speak, right where the blue arrow's at. Now right to the right side where the red arrow's at is a 15 amp fuse. That's one of your oxygen sensor fuses. Now if you go to that right of that fuse, not that fuse, but the fuse on the bottom of that one, you'll see another red arrow. That's your other oxygen sensor. That is also a 15 amp fuse. Now you know where your two oxygen sensor fuses are at. See how easy that was to find? Now just like your relays, you can just pull it out. And if it's bad, go ahead and replace it. It's a 15 amp fuse. See how simple that was? Well, I hope this helped. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.